You know that's right.
What's up, everybody? YouTube land and all entrepreneurs across the land. Okay, it's your girl, ChinnaE. I am back to you reporting live with yet another one and the last piggy bank site here on my list. Thank God. Okay? Now, the last one here on my list is Creation Rewards. Okay? Creation Rewards. Okay, so basically here you get free gift cards for shopping, for taking their daily pay surveys. You get paid for watching videos. You get rewards for watching videos, shopping, taking their surveys. Basically another get paid to do this site, get paid to do that. They're very legitimate as well. The site is very awesome. I liked it when I was on it. I liked the fact that they kind of look like everybody else, but there's just a little bit more money and incentive in this one. And that is something everybody should like. More incentive equals better results from people and better results for their site. And I totally like what they're doing. So I just want you guys to go and check that out real quick and see if you like that and if you want to add that to your arsenal. They have an amazing affiliate marketing program you can join too. Definitely take advantage of the affiliate marketing program. Become an affiliate. Get your promote on. If you're not a person that can sit and talk in front of the cameras like me, there's always blogs. There's always writing. And I'll give you those sites as well where you can definitely get paid to do what you do. So this is another one where you can get paid to do what you like to do, or get paid just to kind of lounge on the computer and basically take surveys, watch videos, go do a little shopping, you know. So this is a good site where you can earn gift cards and money as well. So go ahead, follow that link down below.
You know that's
And
right.
remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl ChinnaE out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because there's always more stuff for you guys. Always way more in store for you guys. I'm pushing them out like babies, but I have no kids. But I'll push them out as much as I can to you guys, giving you the skinny on what's legit, what's not. All these sites I've named are very legit, and I want you guys to know and take advantage of them. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. This is your girl ChinnaE, over and